Let's study today the foreign exchange dealing room operations, basically treasury. There are three offices in treasury: front, mid and back. Front office means the dealer, the one who deals in the foreign currency. Mid office means that office which provides him the input. It provides the dealer the input. And back office means it does all the paperwork, means whatever transactions have been done by the dealer and the mid office, means supported by mid office, the paperwork of that is done by the back office. So we'll study now. Functions of a treasury. First function is to meet the requirements of the branches and the customers. Means whenever any customer comes to your branch for foreign exchange, what you do is directly speak to the treasury whether he wants or wants to buy or wants to sell the foreign currency. So meeting that requirement is the first job. Second, manage foreign currency assets and liabilities. Means whatever foreign currency the bank has, it has to be managed, means it should not be reduced. So that is their job. Fund and manage the nostro accounts. Now what are nostro, vostro, loro? There's a separate video for that. But nostro account means your account with some other bank in foreign country. So that needs to be managed as well as funded, because foreign currency transactions of LC or any other related to foreign exchange are done through nostro. Undertake proprietary trading of currencies. It means it has to itself buy and sell the currency for getting the profits. Means as you do the business, sell your products to the customers, similarly treasury has to buy and sell the currency. And last is act as a separate profit center. Now front office. It involved in buying and selling of the currencies and undertaking market activities. That is the primary job, front office. Front office means basically dealer. The dealer does his job in the front office. The dealer has to maintain two positions: fund position and currency position. What is fund position? It reflects the inflow and outflow of funds, mainly in nostro, means receivables and payables. Then if there are less funds in the nostro, it means we are in overdraft and we are being charged interest. That is not acceptable to the bank. If there are more funds in the nostro account, then those are idle funds, because nostro doesn't give you any interest. Then two positions which dealer has to maintain in fund position is ready and forward. Ready means it affects the cash position immediately, and forward position means affects the position in future day. Now what is currency position? It means at the end of the day what he has overbought or oversold. These two positions are the currency positions. Now you can read this basically after summing up the transactions. Overbought means long and oversold means short. So there is a separate video of mine for long and short position. But long position means if the currency goes down tomorrow, you are in loss. And in oversold position means short position, if the currency rises, then you are in the loss. Now mid office, what does it do? It deals with the risk management and parameterization of the risk of the dealer. Means parameterization means how much risk a specific dealer can take. That is decided by the mid office. Then it acts as a check. You can read this basically. It acts as a check. Then compliance. Various compliances are done by the mid office. Then comes the back office. It's a processing center basically. All the transactions done by the dealer which are supported by the mid office are entered by the back office. So they act as a data center. Means their data which they keep will be used for future transactions. If they do any laziness, then what will happen? It will give misreporting. Then also it acts as a supportive and a checking role. So that was it regarding front, mid and back office and various functions of treasuries. You can watch these videos and also download this app. As well you can get the question bank with explanations from this site. Thanks.